What have you learned about the technologies through the process of constructing this project? Throughout the construction of my final media project, I have increased my skills on several editing formats, such as Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects, from a low skilled beginner to an intermediate skilled user. Adobe Premiere Pro is an editing software I use which enables you to lay out your footage and go back and edit it anytime you need to. I feel as if my skills and knowledge of the software have dramatically increased throughout the course of the year. To add my titles and create my ident, I used Adobe After Effects. When using the software, I explored the wide range of fonts and had to narrow them down to a font which I thought best fitted my media genre. I also used it for the transitions of my titles. I experimented with the different transitions and thought that the fade was the best fitted transition for my title sequence. This is because I thought it was the most slick and professional looking. When creating my ident, I learned how to create a colourful warp effect and the footage behind my titles. I had to use a YouTube walkthrough tutorial to aid me through this. It took me a few attempts to create the ideal ident, and I found with each attempt my skills and comfortability with the software increased. After spending several hours with the software, I feel as if I'm at an ability I never thought I'd be able to achieve when I first started using the software. To film the footage for my media, I used a Canon 1200D camera. I used this camera with several other tasks I had to perform throughout this course, so I feel as if I've become very accustomed to this piece of equipment. This camera served me very well as it delivered high quality footage and was easy to use, making my filming experience with the camera more enjoyable. This camera had a wide range of modes and was easy to tailor to the lighting of the area I was filming. I did this by altering the ISO and aperture of the lens. When filming my aperture task, I felt as if I got used to changing the aperture to be able to focus on different objects at different distances. When I first used this camera to film my preliminary task, I wasn't as familiar with the camera as I am now. This is displayed by my lack of use of the ISO and aperture. To aid my filming with the camera, I used a variety of attachments such as tripod and monopod. I found the tripod gave me more steady filming than the monopod, but took more time to set up between shots. Overall, I used the tripod more as it gave me better quality footage. I used a variety of different websites to present my work, such as WordPress and SurveyMonkey. I found WordPress extremely helpful and thought it made my survey look very attractive. When uploading my videos to the web page, I thought it was good that I was able to hyperlink the work so you can click and watch the video without having to leave the web page. My knowledge of the different technologies throughout the course of the year and the production of my final media project has increased greatly. I have become much more confident when using the different softwares and equipment provided and would never have thought I'd be at this ability at the beginning of the year.